I found these really cool off-road trails, and I really want to check them out with my Ford Ranger, so we'll see how this works out. Alright, so that was a fun idea. We're gonna have to go around. Thank goodness they made a path. Here, let's take that bar with us. Maybe it's needed somewhere.
Okay, Christian. Stop. Oh wait, no way. Smoke?
It's just the mud. It's just the mud. Here's what we're gonna, so I know this awesome place because like the road back there actually forked, and there's a little.
You went in the one pothole that was in the road.
There's this one neighborhood, and if you make it in the neighborhood,
you don't make it out.
Well, no, not exactly. It's a really nice neighborhood. The point is, they got a lake. I want to check out that lake because it's literally mud. Left, look. Feast your Toyota Prius eyes. Oh, it's not as bad as I remember. But yeah, basically there's supposed to be a boat ramp here. And this is it. Let's go visit the lake. Whee! Oh, the truck slid sideways. Alright, we're done here. The truck slid. Anyways.
Slid. I knew I'm gonna
A pole? Should we pick up a pole? Should we take the pole home with us?
Yes.
It ain't no bad stick.
Your mom is in it. Hi, Mom. Hello. Can I throw it?
No. We had a nice little fall right there. It's okay, son. It'll all be alright. Wipe your tears away. That's alright. Oh yeah, she really got hit with mud. That's okay.